You know what's destroying your potential right now? It's lust, that constant pull, that mental fog, that thing that drains your energy and leaves you feeling weak. You've tried to quit before, you've made promises, and still, you fell again. But here's the truth. You weren't failing because you're weak. You were failing because you were using the wrong strategy. Today, I'm giving you 5 steps that actually work. Step 1, understand the real enemy. Lust isn't just physical desire, it's a mental addiction. Your brain craving dopamine hits. Every time you give in, you're rewiring your brain to crave more. Stop blaming yourself for being weak and recognize you're fighting a real addiction. You need a real strategy. Step 2, cut off the supply lines. Your environment is either supporting your freedom or feeding your addiction. Install blockers on every device. Delete social media apps that trigger you. Unfollow every account that feeds the fire. If you always fail at night, don't bring your phone to bed. Charge it in another room. This is warfare. Build the fortress that protects your future. Step 3, replace the void. You can't just quit. You have to replace the habit. Hit the gym. Start running. Channel that energy into building your body. Find a creative outlet. Write. Build something. Create instead of consume. Find a purpose so compelling that giving in would mean betraying your future. Step 4, build accountability. You will not win this alone. Find one person you trust. Tell them what you're doing. Give them permission to ask hard questions. Join a community fighting the same battle. Your embarrassment is the prison keeping you trapped. The strongest people are those who admitted they needed help. Step 5, win the morning. Most relapses happen at night when you're tired and weak. But battles are won in the morning. Wake up early, make your bed, move your body for 10 minutes. Feed your mind with something powerful. Set your intention. Today, I am not giving in. When you win the morning, you operate from strength, not weakness. You are not broken. You're a warrior who's been using the wrong strategy. Understand the enemy. Cut off supply lines, replace the void, build accountability, win the morning. This is your life, your potential, your future. So what's it going to be? Are you going to keep making excuses, or are you going to take your life back? The choice is yours. Now go win.